मित्रांनो, मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण रिझॉल्विंग पॉवर ऑफ सुरुवातीला प्रिझम बघितलं, रिझॉल्विंग पॉवर ऑफ नंतर ग्रॅटिंग बघितलं. म्हणजे दोनही प्रकारचे रिझॉल्विंग पॉवर या ऑप्टिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेंट जे आहेत, प्रिझम आणि ग्रॅटिंग एलिमेंट, याच्याविषयी बघितलं. या डिफ्रॅक्शन चॅप्टरमध्ये आपण डिफ्रॅक्शन फिनॉमिनॉन, डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ वेवलेंथ of source using grating element, त्याप्रमाणेच रॅली क्रायटेरिया रिझोल्युशनचा काय आहे त्याचाही अभ्यास केला. टुडे we will see or we will learn about the numericals involved in our derived defined diffraction chapter. यात साधारण एक 2 ते 3 प्रकारचे न्यूमेरिकल्स आढळतात, which are repeatedly asked by the university. ते आपल्याला बघायचे. त्यानंतर you have to solve more and more numericals from this chapter, diffraction. Just महत्वाची टर्मिनॉलॉजी about resolving power. I will repeat it. Resolving power of an optical instrument is nothing but the ability to separate two nearby images of particular optical instruments. Then optical instruments means prism, grating element, then telescope. These are the optical instruments. Now we will see the problem, the numerical. First, it says that calculate the minimum thickness of base of prism. See, this numerical is from resolving power of prism. Calculate the minimum thickness of base of prism, which will just resolve the D1 and D2 lines of sodium. In this problem, they have been given the mu, that is a refractive index, for wavelength 6563 angstrom unit is 1.6545, and for wavelength 5270 angstrom unit it is 1.6635. See friends, resolving power of prism can be given by this formula, which we have been already learned. That is lambda by d lambda equals to T into d mu by d lambda. This is the formula in which we have to put the values. See, for lambda we will take these two wavelengths, and by adding them, by taking its mean, we will get the lambda. The difference of these two wavelengths is d lambda. Then again d mu by d lambda. D lambda we can write, d mu we can take its a difference. See now, in this way we will first find out the value of d mu by d lambda. What d mu by d lambda? Then see here, 1.6635, this much refractive index, and we have to subtract 1.6545, this much quantity, by which we will get d mu. Again, what about d lambda? Just we have discussed that 6563 minus 5270. Here we have to convert it in meter because it is in angstrom unit, and then we will work out for this factor lambda by d lambda. We will work out lambda by d lambda. Just we talked, this is a lambda, and d lambda, this is the quantity. The answer, or if we worked out, then we will get this factor as lambda by d lambda. Then friends, now putting the values of respective terms in above formula, we have already worked out all these factors for calculating the t, and by putting it and by doing necessary calculations in this way, we will get this factor as a t equal to 0.000657275 cm. This will be the minimum thickness of base of prism. Friends, in another numerical we will see about the grating element. In this problem was also asked in previous examination. In this problem, he asked that what should be the minimum number of line in a grating. See here, the problem concerned with the grating, which will just resolve in the second order. As we know that the grating element having the order second order, first order in this way, and that order is noted by the small alphabet, that is n. Second order lines whose wavelengths are 5890 angstrom unit and 5896 angstrom unit. Friends, here we know the formula for calculating resolving power of grating. See here, the ratio of lambda by d lambda equals to n into n. See here, lambda is the wavelength. We have to take a different d lambda. Then n is the number of order, second order, first order, and n is the number of lines. Then putting the values of respective terms here in this formula, 5893 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. See here again we are going to convert it in meter, and difference d lambda is 6 and in equal to 2n. 2 multiplied by n. N is the number of lines. We have to calculate the minimum number of line in grating, and by 9 this quantity itself gives the factor 982, and divided by 2, n equal to this factor, and 491 will be the minimum number of lines. In this way, friends, you have to perform more, and you have to do the numericals which will help you in coming examination. Thank you very much.